Mimi naitwa Eva. Naomba tukuchangia 1 2 3. Mimi sio mgeni sana. Nilikuwa member ya bunge la wananchi tukiwa pale City Hall. Alafu nikapotea kidogo nikaenda ushago. Lakini sasa nimerudi. So I think sitaki kusema mambo mingi. I think tutatafuta another time when nikuja nichangie 1 2 3, but I want only to say two or three things about propaganda. I want to talk about propaganda and how propaganda has been used to control us. And the first propaganda was by the colonial masters. What did they do? After the Second World War, our people started fighting for independence because they began to realize that kumbe mzungu ni kama wao. So wakapata courage. Wakatengeneza movements to fight for independence. In Central, they started Mau Mau, and it was one of the strongest compared to others. Mzee Oginga Odinga started Kavirondo something in Nyanza. The coastal people did the same thing. So, the movement, please, I want to request for silence. Sababu hamutasikia. Mnaweza kunyamaza kidogo. Sababu it is also pointless kuja hapa alafu urudi bure. So, Waafrika wakaanza kupigania uhuru. Na mzungu akaona kumeumana. Across the African continent, they realized it was actually a product of the Second World War when our people began, like my grandfather went to Burma in India, and they began to see these people are just as human as we are. And so they started fighting. Now, when the colonial masters realized that they have to leave Africa, they decided that they were not going to leave fully. They decided that they were going to plant their people. And in Kenya, they created their person by the name of Jomo Kenyatta. And I want you to go and research and find out, because if we understand this, wanasemanga usipoelewa pahali umetoka hautaelewa kwenye unataka kwenda. So what did they do? They created Kenyatta. Meanwhile, Mau Mau is speaking up very strongly. While Mau Mau is speaking up, Kenyatta is busy living in London with his British wife, right? So what did they do? They looked for someone and they found it in Kenyatta. They brought him back. And in 1952, they declared a state of emergency, right? And they were arrested, 6 of them. If you know the Kabenguria 6, wakaenda wakafungwa Kabenguria. Now the truth is this. While they're in Kabenguria, the other 5 were living like prisoners. But Kenyatta was living like a king. What do I mean by that? And I have direct evidence. An home guard who was taking care of them, who happened, you know, home guards walikuwa wakale. The home guard said Kenyatta was in his own hut. Anapasiwa pasi nguo, anapikiwa chakula, analetewa gazeti, hata bibi zake wanaku. And if you want to know, find out when some people were born. So, they wanted, now I'm talking about propaganda 1, that we bought into it. Yenye ilikuwa propaganda ya kwanza, yenye ilitumaliza. Meanwhile, the fight for independence imepika kabisa, imewaka kabisa across the African continent. So, While these Kapenguria 6 are in prison, media, the role of media, wana release stories about how vile wanateseka sana, of which it was not true. And now, the colonial masters, they said, we want to test to see kama propaganda yetu imesink. So wakamwambia Oginga Odinga, you become the prime minister. What did Oginga Odinga say? No Kenyatta, no independent. That was propaganda number 1. Ndio wakajua sasa propaganda yao imeingia. Waka-release Kenyatta na wakaanza Lancaster conversation. And in 1961, Kenyatta akakuja hapo airport akasema, tumeongea tukasema shamba ile ilikuwa ya Mnandi, tarudi kwa Mnandi. Ile ilikuwa ya Masai. But by the time 1963 came, what did Kenyatta do? He started what we call land buying companies. That is to tell you that he was not a true liberation hero. He was created through propaganda. And we bought into it. That was the first one. Right now, a lot of propaganda is being created to separate the Kikuyu and the Luos. Please do not buy into that. It is another very bad propaganda. Na mukinunua, mutaendelea kuwa na shida. In fact, what will liberate this country is when the Kikuyu and the Luo work together. And that is the secret Uhuru Jr. discovered in 2022. He wanted to break the caste that was planted by the two seniors, the Oginga Senior and the Kenyatta Senior. So, unajua in Africa, a caste can only be broken by the children of the fathers, right? So Kenyatta wanted to break it. Lakini tulisikia, tukaendelea propaganda ya dynasty. Leo mtaendelea kuingia propaganda mpaka lini? Asanteni sana.
Asante.